Spirit Revelation Ecclesia presents A Visit to CHRONOS, the God of Time. Topics to be covered: the mysticism of the ticking time, CHRONOS; the curse of CHRONOS; the mysteries of 24 hours, the realms dedicated for 2 times 12 hours; the false world versus the real world; mastering the ancient codes of realms; the wisdom of witches; timelessness. Please note that this is a ticketed event. Entrance is free, so register now for seat reservations. Dates: Tuesday the 4th through Friday the 7th, October 2022. Time, 6 p.m. Ministering the Bondservant of Christ John Anosike. Venue: 416 Voortrekker Road, Maitland, Cape Town, South Africa. For bookings and seat reservations, call +277 21 510 4029. Email info@spiritrevelationchurch.org.